Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy a stock right here on Fusion Markets. Right now we are here in the MetaTrader 5 web trader, and I will show you as quick as possible how we can buy a stock. There's one thing that I need to tell you because the market is closed right now, but it works exactly the same when the market is open. So first of all, we go here to symbol, and what we're gonna do is go here to equities. Now, you can search right now for a stock right here, but you can also search right here in the symbol for an example like Adobe. So we click now here on Adobe. And then right now what we're gonna do is click here on new order and select right here the volume that we want to buy. I want to buy 1 share. You can also select right here your market order. And then after this, you can also put a stop loss on this if you want to do a little bit on risk management, or a take profit where he will take the profit when he will hit that amount of price. For now, it's not necessary, but please, check that if you want to do that. And then from now we click on buy by market. But if you can see, the market is closed, but this is the way how you can buy stocks right here on Fusion Markets. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.